So this is module 3, where you have the coach in the center, who sits in the center of crisis, chaos, and conflict. And it's important that the coach shows up in an authentic way, no matter what happens in all their relationships. So within the middle of the system, the coach has a relationship with the client, which is the addict here, with the family members, and with the workplace environment, or wherever the money's coming from. So in between the family and the workplace environment, you'll most probably get emotional support from the family, and then financial support from the workplace. So the continuum between the relationship between the addict and the family is one of on a continuum of codependency, independence, and then interdependence. And then you need to be able to explain the difference of the relationship, how the relationship goes from codependency space down to independence, when each person in the systemic relationship detach. And then they start to move the relationship to interdependency, where everyone in the system takes responsibility for their part in their recovery. The family members need to realize the 3 things: that they didn't cause it, they can't cure it, and they certainly can't control it. So those are the goal is one of detachment, and these are the 3 C's. Didn't cause it, can't cure it, can't control it. And over time, the relationship needs to move to a place of where we're responsible for our side of the street and you're responsible for your side of the street. Down here in the continuum, it's about support. How can we get financial support and emotional support to provide cooperation, care, and compassion? So how can we provide cooperation, care, and compassion as someone moves along from addicted to harm reduction, and hopefully they get to abstinence? So the goal there is, can we support this person in their addictive behavior in a way that protects us as they start to take responsibility for their recovery. And then the last continuum here is use, misuse, abuse, and dependence. They've gone mad, and what's happening is we've got to get accountability. And responsibility. And the 3 C's here is we need to be able to confront, contain, and commit to the process, because it's going to take time for this person to realize that they're not using, they've actually gone past misuse, they're abusing constantly, and now they're dependent. Essentially, they've gone mad. You can see it from this perspective here in the continuum, but this person is often in a state of denial. And that's what it's about. Okay, thanks.